Awiqli insulin injections will be available to Canadians starting June 30th. The drug was approved for use back in March, and those prescriptions can start being filled for patients living with diabetes. Typically, diabetics need to inject themselves with insulin multiple times every day. Endocrinologist Dr. Alexander Awiqli was part of the clinical trials for Novo Nordisk's Awiqli here in Canada. He explains with this new option, the patient receives the same amount of the dose that would be given over 7 days, but all at once in a single injection. Awiqli says the easier things are for the patient, the better.
If we could make it more convenient, if it's as efficacious and safe as compared to what we have in terms of basal insulin. But for me, the game changer is that about 40% of people we recommend insulin never fill the prescription. About 20% stop it within a year. So this eases the initiation of basal insulin, which is a huge barrier to care in the management of diabetes, and hopefully keeps more people on it after they've started it.
Health Canada approved the weekly insulin for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Endocrinologists believe it will be particularly helpful to type 2 patients as they're diagnosed later in life. A once-weekly formulation will be easier to accept than daily dosing, ultimately improving health and reducing the risk of complications. Katherine Ward, Global News, Toronto.